Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the one of the best application which is suitable for the Redmi Note 9 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Redmi Note 9. The Redmi Note 9 has a punch hole on the left side of the mobile phone. You can clearly see the punch hole. So by using this kind of application, you will get very good utilization of this home screen, so which looks pretty attractive as well. So there are other applications which are similarly useful for the notch or smartphones and punch hole devices as well. So always try to check the links in description for more details for what are the wallpapers I'm using in other smartphones as well. So you can find this link in description for the playlist of wallpapers must try in any Android phone. So in this video we'll be just focusing on the Redmi Note 9 mobile phone, which the wallpaper is pretty much useful as well. So definitely, if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel. And the wallpaper which I am using in this video is a ProPix, so which is actually designed for the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro users. But one good thing is that this application also works for the mobile phones which does have the left side punch hole mobile phones like the Realme 6i and Realme 6 as well, as you can see here. So both are having same kind of left side punch hole cameras, so which looks pretty attractive as well. And let me try to open the application here. So once you open the application, you do get plenty of other themes and plenty of other wallpapers which are available here. So if you want to download the application and get the free promo codes, you can join in my Telegram group, as you can see here, which looks completely very good and perfect utilization of this kind of space here, as you can see. So each and every wallpaper is designed to simulate this kind of effect for the punch hole mobile phone in the Redmi Note 9. So if you want, even you can save it to the gallery, but that needs an unlock option here. So usually whenever I like the wallpapers, I click the favorite. So it's a very faster way to access your favorite wallpapers all at one place. So at the end, you do have this kind of favorite option here. So overall, using this option is pretty good using the application, which I'm pretty much liking overall. So if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone, you can comment below for any other wallpaper or any other applications. So definitely I'll try to make a video on that one as well. And so meanwhile, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.